Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a flat twist out on blown out hair. As you see here, my hair is already blown out. So yeah, we're gonna do a little something with this stuff. Before we get into doing all of that, please take this time out to subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. A big huge thank you to all that are subscribed and who come back and watch my videos week after week. You are appreciated. You really are. So without further ado, we are going to go straight into the video of it all. And yeah, I'm going to do the front of my hair because I figure it'll be easier for you all to see the front. I already did the back, as you can see. So I'll do the front for you all so you can see how I'm doing the front, and I'll get closer to the camera or zoom in, actually, either one, so you can see what I'm doing, because I really can't explain how to do a flat twist. So yeah, so we're gonna go into it. All right, I thank you all for watching. Here are the results. Now, mind you, this is like day 2. So when I flat twisted my hair, I flat twisted it down Sunday night, and now it's Tuesday. You'll be watching this on Wednesday. So this is like day 2 hair. So this is like the results, but I'll insert pictures of how it looked yesterday. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw I posted a picture yesterday of my results, but I will put those photos or photo or two in here as well, so you can see those. I probably have that before this clip, or just I'll just insert it like right now. Duh, Jessica. So I'll insert here photos of the results yesterday, since that was like fresh results, but here it is just kind of right now. So it's not as curly, but it's like it's still here. My hair is still big. It's still here. So I love it. I absolutely love it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Share with your family and friends on all your social media networks. If you're not by this time subscribe to my channel, sis, hit that subscribe button and click the notification button so you'll be notified each and every time I post a video. And if you are not following me on my social media, I will place it here for you to view. And you can follow me on all my social media platforms. Please do. And that's all. So that's it. I hope you all like this video. If you like the results, let me know in the comments below. And let me know what other styles you all like me to try and all that jazz down in the comments. Let's just have a conversation. And before you leave, I'm just gonna set the previous video right here for you to watch. Okay, it's wash day routine. If you have dry hair, if you're struggling from dry hair, sis, you might want to watch this video. I use Cream of Nature Pure Honey products, and I promise you it's lovely. I did a product review on those a few videos back, and then I will have another one coming up soon on a few other products out that line that I have not tried yet. So watch it, sis. Watch it. Just click on it and watch all the videos, like all of them. Just keep clicking until you've watched everything. Okay, that's all I can suggest. That's all I can suggest. All right, well, thank you, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.